From giant harvested grapes to sealed jars of grape jam, every step happens fast and for real. These oversized grapes become one finished product only, modern factory-made grape jam in sealed glass jars. Production starts with oversized, fully ripe grapes selected for jam concentration. Cooling oversized grapes early protects flavor, color, and final gel quality. Now the grape jam process moves from agriculture to controlled factory intake. Sugar level and acidity decide whether the grape load can become stable commercial jam. Off-spec grapes are removed before they can enter the jam line. Once released, the grapes move into continuous processing. This is the first major processing phase, separating usable fruit from stems. Surface cleaning matters because everything on the skin carries into the jam base. From here, only approved grapes continue deeper into the grape jam process. Now the grapes break down into the first true jam base. Sugar is added here to build sweetness, solids, and final set. This finishing kettle evens out texture before final hot holding. Air is stripped out here so the filled jars look dense and stable. The jam base is ready, and the packaging phase begins now. Jar flow and cap flow are synchronized before the first fill. This is the core fill, hot grape jam going straight into retail glass jars. Sealing locks the hot fill and creates the vacuum that protects shelf life. Controlled cooling protects both the glass jar and the final jam set. Vacuum confirmation proves the hot fill seal held correctly. Only jars with correct fill, closure, and glass condition move forward. Branding goes on only after the jar passes weight and seal control. Final surface cleaning makes the sealed jars shelf-ready without changing the product inside. The final assembly stage now turns single jars into stable retail shipping units. Heat shrink locks the group jars together for stable handling. The glass jars are now locked into full shipping cases for transport. Pallet patterns matter because these cases carry heavy glass. Stretch wrapping secures the heavy glass load for real-world transport. From here, the finished grape jam leaves production and enters distribution. Distribution starts when sealed grape jam jars leave the factory as secured pallet loads. The same sealed grape jam jars now move through wholesale distribution without changing form. Now the grape jam shipment is split into store-ready loads. Retail checks confirm the factory seal and pack quality survived the trip. The sealed grape jam jars have reached the retail floor. Final retail coating ties every displayed grape jam jar to the correct shelf location. Even at retail, the same sealed jar shows the factory set fill, seal, and label precision. This is the finished commercial form, sealed grape jam in a retail glass jar. The seal, fill, and jar condition all trace back to the factory process you just saw. From oversized grapes to one sealed retail jar, this is how modern factories make grape jam.